Hola y bienvenidos a Módulo 8. Welcome to Module 8. Congratulations, we are officially more than halfway through the semester, so keep going strong until the end. This module, again, the main thing to work on is the field-specific project. So we still have a lot of the same information from Module 7 here, but there are articles that you need to read. Those articles are for the discussion board. You need to get your initial post in the discussion board by June 21st, Saturday, June 21st. So 2 days before the end of Module 8. You also need to have some stuff in the discussion board about your field specific project. So make sure that you have interviewed your person. Because we're halfway through, this week is also a little bit, this module is a little bit of a review. So the quiz is going to have some things that we've seen throughout the whole semester. So if there's anything that you didn't understand so far, make sure that you send me an email or go over it again. So under the videos, there is kind of like a review video of some of the things that people generally, struggle with over the first 8 modules. So make sure you review everything again. Make sure you're ready for that quiz. Again, like I said, the discussion board initial post is due June 21st. We have that longer quiz. And then the field specific project, like I've been saying for the last several modules, you need to interview someone in English about what they do when they get a patient that doesn't speak English. You got to write your 2 to 3 page summary, double spaced in English, about the procedures that they use, the strategies that they use, how they communicate when they don't speak the same language. And then at the end of that, you need to have your vocabulary list of the 20 words or more that they said would be the most important in that field in English and Spanish. Okay, let me know if you have any questions. Congratulations on making it more than halfway through. Y nos vemos pronto. See you soon.